Hello, this is Tina from Gardening Blooms, and as I mentioned, our peach tree has been ready for peaches, to harvest and all of that. And we removed some of these peaches yesterday, so they can get a little bit of settle, and all the juices and flavor will come out. So yesterday we harvested some peaches, and today we are going to work on the peach jam. So let's begin. So these are the peaches we harvested yesterday, and today I picked the one which are really nice, juicy and firm. Checking the color of the peaches and also their firmness for the better taste and juicy flavors. So we selected the one which are nice. So this is the main step we are going to do right now, and select some from the stock here, and we'll be right back. Okay, so after we selected our peaches, which are ready, red and yellow, nice, juicy, next process will be we're going to wash the peaches, and then we'll give eggs cut on them and then blanch those. So let's begin. Hi everyone. So today I have helper Priya here. She's going to help me to work on our peach jam. So the next process after we select and wash our peaches is we are going to give the X mark on the peaches. So, two sides there. Okay, so each will have two marks there. Come on, okay, so we gave the X marks on each peaches, and now the next process will be blanching those. So we will go and blanch those. So the water is boiling, and now we'll immerse the peaches slowly so that they won't go and fall. Cut them. And making sure not to splash the hot water. One more. Sorry, did I? Okay. Here, you want to show? Okay, so we are going to keep these peaches for a minute or so. They will not take too long to blanch. Okay, so I have a timer on for 2 minutes rather, so that they will be properly, the skin will peel off. So we'll give couple of minutes here, and okay, so the timer just went off, and they are blanched at this point, because we don't want to cook them too long. We just get the, and then these peaches after blanching will go in the ice cold water. Ice cold water. Yeah, so the peaches are getting blanched, and we'll put the other rest of the other peaches in the water. Again, we'll give about 2 minutes for them to about 1 or 2 minutes. um, it's a rolling water. While the other peaches are getting blanched, we are going to boil. We are going to remove the one which we just put in the water, ice water. Here, and then the next step will be just peeling off the skin. See how easily it comes off. And next we'll peel all the peaches, and the next step will be we'll make small slices or for us to or cubes um, before we do the jam. So so far we are at this point. Okay, so we are peeling the peaches now and removing the skin, and Priya is going to help me. She will show you the next process. It comes easily when they are a little bit blanched. Okay, so we will peel all the peaches and we'll be right back. Okay, so we have two friends here, Deepali and Priya, and they are going to help us today. So after we blanched the peaches, we seared those and we are cubing those, and after that we are going to prepare actual jam. See you later.
Wow, Deepali.
Okay, so we have diced peaches. They're ready here to be cooked into jam. So for our peaches are so sweet that I'm not going to take 1-to-1 ratio. I'm going to take 5-to-1. So I'm going to measure 5 cups of peaches and just use the 1 cup of sugar. So this is 1. Two, 3, 4, 5 cups. And also I'm adding the juices. So okay, so here we have 5 cups of peaches, diced peaches, and I'm going to add just 1 cup of sugar, and then we will be making a little bit more. So instead of 5 cups, now we'll add another 5 cups and another cup of sugar, 1 cup of sugar. And I'm going to start my stove to medium to let it boil. Meanwhile, I can measure my peaches. Okay, so we have 10 cups of diced peaches, seeded and diced, skinned off. And to that I added 3.5 cups of sugar, because the juices, the peaches are so sweet that we don't want to use the, sugar. Instead have a natural sweetness. And then I added, actually I added, but it's 1 teaspoon of salt, and then juice of one lemon. So we are waiting it to boil. Okay, so it has been 15 minutes, and the peach is getting cooked. They are getting softer. The texture is changing, and I see a little bit of foam up on the peach jam, the mixture. So I'm going to remove those, and then continue cooking. Okay, so we have been cooking the peaches jam for at least half an hour is gone. We did mash it with the masher, so it's not too much chunky, and it also cooked. And the consistency is really good. It is ready. The jam is done and it's ready to be used. It's going to be cooled down a little bit, and it will get a little bit more thicker. So here you have it. This is our peach jam. Thanks for watching, and subscribe our channel Garden in Blooms. Thank you.